In this video, we are showcasing Mike doing some hard water removal on the exterior of these home windows. So he's pre-agitating it with the hard water remover, and then we let it sit for a little bit and come back to it and wet the window out with a cleaning agent and then scrub it some more. And then after the agitation is done, we're going to gently do a razor blade to pull a lot of it off and then re-wet the window again. And then after that, go ahead and use the squeegee to clean the glass off. And then after it's been squeegeed, if it doesn't need to be done one more time, if we see any additional spots, then we're going to go ahead and detail the edges of the window. That way we don't leave any water dripping down, potentially leaving streaks on the glass. So go around and do that. And then you see these examples. One more here just so you can showcase how much of a difference hard water removal makes. Thank you so much for watching.